Have you ever forgotten anything? If you're being honest with yourself, you probably answered yes. You're not alone. Whether it was forgetting to attend an important meeting, to take dinner out of the oven, or to study for that oh-so-important final, we all have forgotten something in our lives. Notice the problem? We all seem to have a really hard time remembering stuff. The solution? How about an app that remembers stuff for us and sparks our memory at the times that it matters most? But it can't just be any ordinary app. It has to be quick to use, easy to learn, and entertaining for all. Meet Rimlet, the reminder app. Take a look at the home screen for the app. At the top here, you have a quick access agenda which contains several of the reminders that are going to occur next. You can scroll side to side to see even more reminders down the road if needed. Swiping down on this bar causes it to be replaced by a bar of red reminder squares, also known as a reminder archive. Pressing on one of those squares causes the title and a more specific countdown of the reminder to show below in the description viewport. In addition to the title and time fields, the description viewport has a red X button attached to it. Pressing this button will cause the reminder to archive prematurely, meaning that it will never go off. Down at the bottom of the app is where the real magic happens. This is where the user can quickly add a new reminder. It contains special controls to make the process of creating a reminder even faster. We like to call these special controls multi-toggles. Tapping the Today multi-toggle button will change its label to Tomorrow and vice versa. By enacting this, we save users from having to click a small button on a calendar for the vast majority of the reminders. The multi-toggles are preset with the most common user preferences. Selecting more specific times is also supported by Rimlet via the mini buttons to the right of the multi-toggles. Similar functionality is used on the right. Whenever the setting on the left multi-toggle is Today, the right will also be a multi-toggle for 15-minute, 30-minute, 45-minute, and 1-hour long time intervals. The final product of Rimlet will be built with several gestures and animations to make it more fun and usable. So there you have it, the core functionality of Rimlet, designed for quick usage, an intuitive experience, and built for fun. What's next? Pressing the search button at the bottom leads the user to, well, the search feature. To use the search feature, type in your search term, press go, and press the desired result. That's it. Next, by pressing the settings button, we can go to the settings menu. The settings menu contains some basic options for the user to adjust. At the top, the user can select how they would like to be reminded. This could be anything from playing a desired song or ringtone to simply pushing a silent notification to the user's notification window. The reason the drop-down says options vary is because the app will change the options depending on the device it is used on and what its capabilities are. Oh, and one last thing. The next time you need to remember something, don't think calendar app, don't think to-do list app, think reminder app, think Rimlet.